welcome to yet another episode of Knock Maths Out the Park with me, Mr. Clark. Today we're on our next step with column subtraction. We're looking at 3-digit numbers, take away 2-digit numbers. Once again, we're stepping up a little bit more, but it's not much more difficult for you. So this time we are introducing some hundreds. So when I'm setting this out, I start with H, then I put my T for tens and units. So we've got hundreds, tens, units. First job, 245. So the 2 goes in the hundreds, the 4 goes in the 10, and the 5 goes in the units. Now we're going to take away 78. Now that 7 stands for 78, which is 7 tens. That goes in the tens column. It does not magically become 100, so don't think about trying to squeeze it in there. And we've got 8 units. Now to fill that gap there, I like to put my takeaway symbol. Let's make this so fresh and so clean. Let's get my ruler. And I'm drawing my equal sign on. Looking good so far. Oh, Beyonce would be proud of those lines. So fresh and so clean. So we are looking at our problem. We start in our units. 5 take away 8. Can I do it? No! There's more on the floor. Always check it every single time for every column. There is more on the floor. If we want dreams to come true, then we are going to have to deal with this. So we are going to take, not borrow, remember, we're going to take. So we go next door. We're going to take from the tens. 4 tens is now going to become 3 tens. And we're going to take that 10 and we're going to put it where we need it, in the units. Now we've got 15 take away 8. 15 take away 8. Doing the maths in my head, that is 7. Now at this stage, some people relax and think, ooh, yeah, hard bit done, I've done my taking. But look at my problem. 3 tens take away 7 tens. Say what? I've got more on the floor again. So I need to go next door. If there's more on the floor, you go next door. This time, because I'm in my tens, next door is my hundreds. So I go next door. I'm going to score out that 200 and I'm going to take that 100. I'm not borrowing, I am taking. So that becomes 100 and I take that 100 over and put it in my tens, making 13 tens. Now you might be thinking, 13 tens, what's that all about? Because that's 100. Well, if you think about 13 tens and you count that on your fingers, that makes 130. 13 tens is 130. So 13 tens take away 7 tens. You're doing my maths in my head, that's 6 tens. So I write my 6 in my tens column. Now I come to my hundreds. I've got 100 here. I've got nothing here. So simply I finish off my problem by putting my 100. And I've made my mathematical dreams come true today, and I've knocked that problem out of the ballpark, and I'm one step closer to becoming the Beyonce of maths. Catch you later.